What is up? It's your boy the Canologist. We're back. This lesson's taken a long while because it is a more self-directed slash guided lesson. So I'm actually like trying to struggle with it first and then take the jewels of these learnings and apply them. So if error equals nil, and as you can see here, they actually post if error is not equal to nil here still, so I'm not wrong by doing what I did. It's just a very similar syntax. Okay, so now I have body. What was I missing? The log printf, which I had there. They're actually doing a write to header error request. The handle's kind of flawed on this. I wish it was slightly more rectangular so it doesn't put strain on your hands when you drink it. So this would be w dot header content type. This would be application JSON and then we do a write header status bad request. Let's take that instead of write header 500, which is what they mentioned there. It's write header bad request. We don't need the log f. JSON dot new encoder. Map string, and then it'll be string again. Map string. Error, something went wrong. Oh, because that's why we're sending this back. Now it makes sense as to how. I'm still not completely well versed with this syntax, but over time I'll get it. Something went wrong. Something went wrong here. And then this one we have to send another request, which is like post is too long, then the success request. So we're actually sending 3 different things here. But it all builds the response body, which is what I believe is the correct pick the strange fruit. Okay, let's go back. Let's get some steel bars again. Just diligently stack steel bars. And then over time, I'm gonna end up getting thousands and thousands. I pretty much doubled my money coming into this with steel bars. K for Kane. K for Canologist. I don't put any sugar or anything in this. But on a non-fast day, I would put honey. I would put honey just because. And ginger tea kind of soothes your stomach if you're going to bed or something and you just want to settle your stomach before bed. Drinking a nice ginger tea could really change things for you. It's a game changer. So we're sending this, then we want to send the structure of this. So we go JSON dot, and then instead of this again, we go, this is the write header bad request. We go write header content type, w dot header JSON new encoder. Map string, and then this would be another error. Oh yeah, encode. This is a bit more of a complex solution, but now we go. What was the output here? Something went wrong. Because we're turning our error into an output. Something went wrong. And then finally the body here. What do they do for the body? JSON new encoder again. Then map string valid true. Oh, map string bool. I can do that. I can get behind that. One sec. I just want to make sure my code is properly. Okay, so I have my returns here. And then there's no return on this if it's a success case. So this would be. Oh no, it's map string bool. Your route registration is fine. Handler func http dot. Oh, it's handler func. Okay, that should be good. That should fix things. Where are we sending the request to? Curl post, X post, HTTPS. What is the actual post? What is the test endpoint? Is it just the localhost 8080? Default base URL. Let's try and generate the curl. So it'd be go build. First we have to set up the server. Go build O out and out. Run that. Go build O out and O out. Should be server params body. It's undefined. Where is that? It won't compile because I have to make the casing correct here so it knows where to reference. Oh yeah, fun fact, I did not know that Diet Coke had 0 calories. I always thought that Diet Coke had like half the calories of a Coke, but because I'm like, okay, I was at a shawarma restaurant with my friend, and they're like, I wanted to get a Coke, right? But his girl or whatever the fuck wanted to get a Coke Zero, which I know has 0 calories. But the lady ended up giving me a Diet Coke instead of a Coke, and then when I looked at the calories, it was also 0. So I'm like, fuck, both of these have 0 calories, but they taste different apparently. So that's just a tidbit for you guys. Shout out to my boy. Okay. I just want to write the curl request now. So if I go clear, go build, O out and out, that should run. Okay, wait, where is it? Unknown command, go build. Oh. Okay, server's up. Okay, now I want to go curl. Let's go to Google. Check the curl request. Okay, so now we have this. So it's just going to be curl X. I don't want to use Postman. I actually want to use something more manual this time. Sorry, to finalize the command. Okay. Control V, Control M. Okay, let's ChatGPT that. How do I... Oh, okay, so if you put this backslash, it won't execute? You fuckers. You lied to me. Add the backslash. I did that, you fuckers. Oh, because it's echo. Oh, I guess that would be the equivalent of thing. Okay, let's try that. The shell shows this and waits for you to close the quote. Okay, I'll do that. I'll try it. So basically, let's go back to Google here. And then let's go to here. Echo quotes. Now it's like this. Now I go underneath, then I go -H. Content type. But then I want to go name. I could just send the body. API validate chirp. Okay, yeah, because I'm curling to that. Then it'd be body. Body hello world. You're hitting the wrong path and your quote escapes are off. Okay, cool. I was probably better off just writing it in a text file and pasting it. Validate chirp HD. But that's technically what I would have done anyway. So now that I know how to do it, I'm not really concerned about the method of what is going on. So let's try now. So if I just go with this, the server's still active here. I just have to do this. Valid true. See, it works. Don't use echo. Okay, perfect. Include valid chirp in the edge. Keep JSON single quotes. I got valid true. Your chirp is worthy What's the time on here? 20 minutes. Okay, cool. It's fine. Time well spent, honestly. I understand it better. It's just that now I have to get used to the syntax of sending it map string string, map string string, map string bool. You always have to send some sort of new header back. Fuck, I'm actually starving. Oh, God. It's 11:54, but 6 minutes till it hits 12. But I think we're in good shape to send the request. So boot dev, it's gonna now test all the endpoints. Boom, 200, expecting 400, okay, expecting 200, okay. And let's submit it. Boom, we are good. And since we're already at 21 minutes, we may as well let's just do a line by line breakdown. Of the solution. Declares an HTTP handler with response writer and request. Yep, so this is the handler. What's going on here? Who's he talking to? Nah, fuck you. I'm just curious. Let's go cannonball. Let's see how much we have. Examine. There's almost 7 mil worth of cannonballs. See, look, we've pretty much doubled our money. I just wanted to show you. By the time I'm done this, there'll be over 7 mil. So you're like making money while training smithing. It's just that it's really slow, which kind of works out since I'm studying. Declare HTTP handler with response writer and request. Okay, so that's standard. Okay, parameter struct local struct to map the incoming JSON key body to be exported field body so the decoder can populate it. Okay. Parameters. Need to go to our body, decode params. Null creates a JSON decoder on the request body, decodes it into params. So decodes it into params, okay. If the JSON is invalid or wrong types, error is set. Okay. On error decode. Respond with the 400 JSON error body. On decode error. Okay, cool. So it sends content type. Right header, HTTP status bad request. New encoder W, encode map, string. On decode, respond with 400 error body. Yes. If the length of the parameter's body is greater than 400, validates the business rule. Must be less than 140 characters. Okay. Set content type, same shit again. Same bad request. New encoder W. Encode map string error. Chirp is too long. Okay, cool. That's fine. And then W header content type. Map string. This is if it's true. So on success to respond with a 200 and valid true. So status okay, and then map string bool for this, and then we add the route. We have to register it. So mux handle func, and then it says handler chirp validates, registers the handler for post requests. But since I put this in the actual main function, you have to use HTTP handler func. So now we can go to the next lesson. Okay, cool. So there's a bunch of shit here. We will do this in the next episode. So stay tuned. Peace. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. All these go a long way because it helps push my content in the algorithm. So yeah, if you like these lessons, like, and these types of videos, I'm going to be posting a lot. You guys have seen my leak codes. You guys have seen my RuneScape OSRS and leak code, my OSRS guides, my Arduino course. If you check out my other links, there's a free course on Udemy that I have open. It's about like 600 plus students in there, so help yourselves. I'm not making Discord yet. Maybe once I reach 500 to 1K subs, I'll consider it, but stay tuned. That will be in the works. So without further ado, peace out. Kinologist is gone.